everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
We're going to start our GD. I'm going to distribute the sheets and the sheets will be with you for just 5 minutes. Quickly you will read the content. ठीक है? Think about it, recall the things in your mind. You will not write anything. Just think about it and after 5 minutes we will take the sheets back. Then you will have to come here, give your introduction, right?
Yes.
And after that you will have to speak about the topic.
Yes.
Once we all get our chance, then we'll start with the GD procedure.
Yes.
All ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I see the thumbs up?
Yes,
Very good.
I am Devansh Chan. I am 18 years old. I am doing BSc. I have a nuclear family. I have 2 younger brothers. I like to play cricket. I hail from Pukhara and Budihar. My aim to join Indian Air Force because my family want to join Indian Air Force. Now discuss about the topic girls education. Girls education. If we want to the country educated, so we can educate the girl. If we want the our growth in GDP, we educated the whole girls and boys.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sunil Yadav. I belong to Prayagraj, UP, which is famous for Sangam and Kumbh Mela, where 3 rivers Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati meets. I am currently pursuing Bachelor of Science from Allahabad State University and passed out class 12 in 2019 from Kendriya Vidyalaya. My family have 4 members. My father Jeetlal Yadav is a farmer. My mother Klavati Devi is a housewife. One my elder brother which is working in a private sector. In my free time I like to running and readings. My strength is that I easily never give up. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is a platform to serve my nation with honesty, dignity. I will be very fortunate if I get a chance to join Indian Air Force. Now switching to our topic, girl education. As the time has gone when the girl or the women were treated by a man because they were not giving equal opportunities. But nowadays the girls are giving equal opportunities, and they are showing they are in all the factors. As we know that currently few days back the UPSC has declared result in which top 3 girls top 3 were the girl. And in the all department we are seeing the railways, post offices, all the department in private and government sector, girls are. And in the teaching field, girls is also. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Abhishek Yadav. I am from Gazipur, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed 12 2018 and also completed graduation 2021. My father is a farmer and my mother is a housemaker. In my free time activities, I like play cricket and also completed my sub question. Coming to my topic, a girl is a whole family. Education, every woman is education must be every woman is must be education point. Education. The Prime Minister will be launched by Beti Bachao Beti Padhao plan, and it is very important. It is very important education for my life and women. Article 20 mention of this is a fundamental right. Every person must be educated. Thank you.
Hi friends, my name is Rajnikant Singh. I am from Gazipur in UP. I have completed my 12th 2019 and also completed my BSc 2021. And my father name is Virendra Singh. He is a eye doctor. My mother is a homemaker. My free time activity to listen music and read books. Let's switch on the topic educating a girl with educated a whole family. And now we have contributed our social and economic growth equal part. Men and women contribute. Just before result have clear in UPSC, top 3 girls have top in UPSC. In rural area, people think about girls that he is a pariah girl. Thank you.
My schooling class 12 from UP board with 74% mark. At present, I am pursuing graduation BA. And talking about my family, there are 5 members in my family. My father is a farmer and my mother is a homemaker. And in my free time, I like to play cricket and listen music. And the aim of my life is to join armed forces. And the topic is given to us is women education. And the women role is very important in any country developed. And in this 21st century, gender inequality exists. And there are so many women who are silently facing the harassment from their life partner and any others, by the lack of the education and lack of the legal awareness. And when women are educated, whole family benefits. And from women education, there are many programs launched by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi, like Beti Bachao Beti Padhao, to eliminate the women feticide and to increase women education. Thank you.
Good afternoon, my friends. My name is Sudarshan Pandey. I am from Sultanpur, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my 12th from CBSE board in 2018. At present, I am pursuing Bachelor of Arts in Economics from University of Allahabad. In my family, including me, there are 4 members. My father is a farmer and my mother is a homemaker. I have an elder brother. In my liking and interest, I like playing outdoor games, cycling and listening music. My aim is to join Indian Air Force as an airman. Now I am coming over to my topic, which is educating a girl child is educating a whole nation. As a cart has 2 wheels, in the same manner, society also can't run in with the men community. So we also need the girls' representation in the nation, in society. As if we see the recent example of the Commonwealth Games, then women also represented in the large scale. Like if we compare the medal ratio, then both are the equivalent. Apart from this, there are certain norms in the society. As girls are not much strong, or they are like pariah dhan. But with the help of that, we are heading toward the 21st century. These norms are breaking with the rapid step. we are becoming educated. Even people are just promoting their girls for education now. There are not much norms. Apart from this, government also working towards it, like with the scheme of Beti Padhao, Beti Bachao. Apart from this, recently government also increased the marriage age from 18 to 21 years, which is also a great step. Apart from this, if I sum up my point with a quote, like if men community is a flower in the society for the nation, then women are this fragrance. Thank you.
Jai Hind to everyone. My name is Anurag Pal. I am from Kanpur, which is famous for leather. I have completed my 10 plus 2 in 2019 and currently I am pursuing my BSc in mathematics. My father is in CAPF. My mother is a homemaker. My hobbies are playing football, do exercises and study about geopolitics. Honesty and adaptation to myself to the environment is my strength. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is my childhood dream and it gives a platform to serve the nation. Thank you. Now we are coming to our topic. Our topic is educating a girl child. We know that education is compulsory for all because if we want a nation to be educated, it means that its entire population must be educated. Without education, the progress of our country cannot possible. Now, I am coming to educating a girl child. We know that every family member, woman is the first teacher of every man. Without educating a girl, you cannot progress in the country. Like examples, Indira Gandhi, Mother Teresa are the some examples that create history in their field. So, and government also compulsory the education in 2009 amendment. So we need that we should educating our girls without any discrimination. If girls is educated, the inequalities in the society must be eliminated. So we need that we educating our girls without any discrimination. People think that men are dominated than women, but women prove that it is wrong. Women are not women are capable than more men. Like some examples in UPSC and other government exams and competitive exams, the ranks of top 10, there is a number of girls are increases day by day. So educating a girl child, it means that we educating a whole family. So we educating our girl child, it is important. And progress of every country is only by education. So we educate all girls and men. Without education, it is not possible. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Avinash Garwar and I am from Chandauli, Uttar Pradesh. I have done my graduation from Mahatma Gandhi Kashi Vidyapeeth and my father, Mr. Vijay Bahadur Singh, is a teacher. My mother, Meena Singh, is a housemaker. And in my free time, I would like to do listening music and exploring new places and watching traveling blogs. And my aim in life is to join the Indian Air Force because it is very respectful job in our society and they also provides us a lot of benefits and additional services. So today's our topic about educating girl child. So Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar said that education has a power more than an atom bomb. So if we talk about educating a girl means educating a whole family, or we see that in our history or currently we can see that the Ministry of Finance has in hand of Nirmala Sitharaman, and she is handling very well and she contributes a lot for India. And we also see that in previous government we have the Ministry of External Affairs has had in hand of Sushma Swaraj, and she set a milestone in world geopolitics. And we also see that we have an environment activist named Greta Thunberg, and she played a very crucial role in the field of environment, to save environment. And so if we want to make a country great, or so we have to educate the girl child, because they will bring, because of it we can bring equality in our society and give equal opportunity to all of us. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. My name is Vinod Verma. I am from Basti, Uttar Pradesh. I have passed class 12 from science background from UP board in 2019. 82.16% in class 10th and 77.4% in class 12th. I am pursuing BSc from Siddharth University. There are 5 members in my family. My father, Mr. Ramkewal Verma, is a farmer, and my mother, Mr. Kailasa Devi, is a housewife. My hobbies are playing cricket and reading books. I am a disciplined and loyal man. I want to join Indian Air Force because it gives me a disciplined and adventurous life. My topic is education for girl. Education is most important for the girl and our nation. Our country never progress without education system. Women are equal in every area of the boy. Example, Shruti Sharma is the top AIR first rank in the UPSC, and Indira Gandhi is the first woman Prime Minister of the India.
Jai Hind, respected sir and dear friends. My name is Ashish Sharma. I am from Gazipur in UP, which is known as Lahori Kasi. My father is a farmer and my mother is a housemaker. And in my free time, I like to help my father in farming and playing chess with friends. I want to join Indian Air Force because I like the lifestyle of soldiers. And today's our topic is women education, and women education is related from the women empowerment. If you, whereas I can think education is the booster dose for the women. Multiple developments, and where all we know that after few weeks ago, Commonwealth game held in sometimes, and how to perform our women in Commonwealth games. So we cannot think that women are less than a man. So we also need participate. I mean, a man also need to participate. Someone who makes hand to hand to continue to take the responsibility of our economy and development of our country. So it's conclusion that my conclusion is that women.
Dear all friends, first of all, good morning and thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity. Sir, I am Atithi Yadav and I have done my 12th with PCM and I am pursuing BA in Political Science from University of Allahabad. There are 7 members in my family. My father, Mr. Bansilal Yadav, is a farmer. My mother, Mrs. Rannu Devi, is a homemaker. There are 5 siblings. I live at Pratapgarh, UP. In free time, I like to make yourself more knowledgeable. Ultimate aim of my life is join to Indian Air Force. Today our topic is very sensitive topic. Our topic is women education. Education is equal for everyone. So we we should teach everyone. If I want to become a developed country to developing country, we should teach women. Or if we should teach women, we become a developed country. For example, VC Shivangi and other. We in Navratri we worship women as Mata Durga and other side we have like a hair. If we will teach women, we can stop feticide. So we should teach everyone. Thank you.
And the Prime Minister and President. Our President has been recently elected. She is also a woman. So this shows that the women versatility as well as the equality of a woman and men is not remain. It is remain in the society. So the development of education of a woman is a very important for the country.
Yes, I
what you have been saying, but there are so many women who are silently bearing the harassment and from their life partner and any others, in the lack of the education and lack of the legal awareness and the lack of the empowerment. So we can firstly provide education for every woman.
Yes, we have on the power of education we have very good officers like Kiran Bedi, and we also see that Sushma Swaraj and we have very good officers because of education.
Yes. Educating a girl means that you educating a whole family, because girl is the first teacher of any child or boy. So girls education is must.
Yes, Beti Bachao Beti Padhao Yojana launched by Prime Minister, and which place Panipat. Every woman is must be educated, and
girls are doing job in previous exam like railway, air force and defense sector.
Yes, dear friend, as we know, in our society, women, one side women compared as a goddess, and then other side women treated as a horse.
Women have very good skills in managing the thing and leading a team. So recently in NDA also get chance to women to
again this number 40 point, as we have seen that now the states of the Haryana and Punjab, the women are the working women and they are playing very equal role. So the woman has to be educated so that the modern techniques of the farming in the agriculture sector should be mentioned, and then it will lead to
sports, railways, education, and uneducated woman can serve family with proper.
Yes, if we talk about 10th board result, we can see that the percentage of success is more than boys of the girls.
The games, many girls win medals like gold and silver and bronze.
There are many programs launched by the Prime Minister like Beti Bachao Beti Padhao to eliminate the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao is to eliminate the women feticide and to educate the women.
Education is most important of our nation.
Female feticide due to awareness.
we have seen that now the talk of the harassment has been come out. So the Nirbhaya Yojana has been launched by the government for the protection of the women and also to enhance the emotional, intellectual as well as other diligent development.
Education is the matter of teaching harassment to women.
I also want to add a point that if you educate a girl, then eliminates discrimination between the men and women. So we need that we educate our girls. Then if we educate our girls, then the discrimination in society already removed.
We also saw that, my friends, Jyotiba Phule had established some first women college in India, and we see that because of that school we had get some very good leadership like Sucheta Kripalani, Sarojini Naidu.
Education is a tool to which we can change the world. It was told by Nelson Mandela to promote the education for the girl. So girls should be educated so that they can also do what they want as compared to the men.
Government is focusing on the inclusive growth, like in all the sectors. Also, we can't fulfill this aim without leaving the women behind. So we have to take the women also as the equally representative in society.
Yes, I agree.
Education and awareness.
Yes,
any country, society, or family, because an educated woman can do anything, and can.
Yes, I agree. Yes, and my friends, in Sanatan Sanskriti, we have a word called Ardhanarishwar, which means we have to give both male and female same opportunity to express themselves, and if they will after their combination we can make a very healthy, full and fruitful society.
Yes, dear, but I am agree with you. But we can see girls in the international times. We can see Hima Das and PV Sindhu win the gold medal and silver medal in the international. So it will be proud in the countries, and it's like from.
Yes, we want to grow in GDP. We educated whole country.
Yes, friend, as we know that
As gentlemen, we are seeing that expenses of everything has been increasing. So educating a woman can give the quality as well as the accountability to the woman, so that the home of the particular people and the particular family will be conducted in the mannerful way and the planned way. So it will provide various expenses should be counted very easily, and the woman can act as a first teacher of the children. As we are seeing that from the 6th class, the child want a coaching classes. If the woman is educated and she gives the teaching to the children by the practical example, there is none other can teach than the particular than a mother to the child.
And I also want to add a point that girls have the power to manage all things. So we must educate our girls.
In our
Girls will be educated, the dowry system and the discrimination kind of system will be automatically reduced.
जहां बनते हैं देश के गौरव, इंडिया का एकमात्र ऐसा कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट जहां कैडेट्स को ट्रेन किया जाता है आने वाले डिफेंस एग्जाम के अनुसार। अगर आपका भी सपना है भारतीय सेना में शामिल होकर देश की सेवा करने का, तो आज ही ज्वाइन करें त्रिशूल डिफेंस एकेडमी।